Stress management has become something that we need to use as a survival mechanism. We have so many responsibilities and things to remember that stress seems to become just second nature to most of us. Fortunately, stress is not a new phenomenon. While the demands of daily living have changed, the fact is that humans have been combating stress and utilizing it for their survival for centuries. The methods that humans have come up with over the years to cope with stress are vast and numerous, but one thing is for certain. Stress can be one of the biggest things to hold us back. If we learn positive coping mechanisms for our stressors, then we can easily become unstoppable. But how can you benefit from it? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn to use stress management as a survival mechanism. You will begin to explore different ways of looking at stress. You will begin to manage stress better by acknowledging the power we have over ourselves and the outcomes we face. You will learn how to manage your stress in a way that can help you to become the best person you can possibly be. You will create the lifestyle of your dreams without the added negativity. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Coping with Stress, Tried and True Methods for a Peaceful Life. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Learning the difference between assertive and aggressive, redirecting your thoughts and feelings, taking care of your body, identifying your bad habits, know the difference between stress and chronic depression, avoiding toxic people and behaviors, learn when to ask for help, building a support network, having patience and forgiveness for yourself, overcoming the negativity bias and thinking positively, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually enjoy a peaceful life by coping with stress. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to use stress management as a survival mechanism. You want to know the different methods that humans have come up with over the years to cope with stress. You want to explore different ways of looking at stress. You want to manage your stress in a way that can help you to become the best person you can possibly be. You want to have the lifestyle of your dreams without the added negativity. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Coping with Stress, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Coping with Stress, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Coping with Stress, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on enjoying a peaceful life by coping with stress, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If, for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you enjoy a peaceful life by coping with stress. I'll see you on the inside.